Understanding, have the wrong idea. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might hear in everyday English conversations. Have the wrong idea. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you, so you can use it confidently in your own conversations. When someone says they have the wrong idea, they're essentially admitting or suggesting that their understanding of a situation, person, or concept is incorrect or based on false assumptions. This phrase is often used in situations where misunderstandings need to be clarified. It's a polite way to correct someone's mistaken belief without being too direct or confrontational. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In misunderstandings, imagine your friend sees you at a cafe with a colleague and assumes you're on a date. You might say, "Oh, you have the wrong idea. We're just here for a work meeting." 2. Correcting assumptions. If someone thinks you're angry because you're quiet, but you're just concentrating, you might explain, "You have the wrong idea. I'm not mad. Just focused on this task." 3. Clarifying intentions. When someone misinterprets your actions, for instance, thinking you're being helpful for selfish reasons, you could clarify, "I think you have the wrong idea about why I'm doing this. I genuinely want to help." Using "have the wrong idea" is all about context. Here are some tips. Be clear and kind. Use this phrase to gently correct misunderstandings without causing offense. Follow up with an explanation. After clarifying that someone has the wrong idea, provide the correct information to clear up any confusion. Body language matters. Since much of communication is nonverbal, ensure your body language is open and friendly when you're explaining that someone has the wrong idea. Understanding and using the phrase, "have the wrong idea," can help you navigate English conversations more smoothly and avoid misunderstandings. Remember, it's all about clarifying and communicating openly. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this useful phrase in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English learning content.